Welcome back to Digest A Byte. Today we have an exciting topic for all AI enthusiasts out there. We are going to be diving into Mojo Programming Language, the new kid on the block that is taking the AI development world by storm. So buckle up and get ready to explore. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to develop a complex AI application, but always struggle with the speed, scalability, and flexibility of the programming language you were using? Well, you are in luck because Mojo Programming Language has got your back. It is a high performance language that combines the best of both worlds, the ease of use of Python and the speed of and performance of C++. It is developed by a team of AI experts and designed specifically for AI development, making it the perfect language to use when developing complex AI applications. It is also gaining popularity for several reasons. Firstly, it is very easy to use. If you already know Python, you will find Mojo Programming Language a breeze to pick up. Secondly, it is incredibly fast. I mean, it can be up to 35,000 times faster than Python, making it ideal for developing complex AI applications. And thirdly, it is highly scalable, which means it can be used to develop AI applications that develop on various hardware platforms, from small embedded devices to large supercomputers. There are numerous benefits to using Mojo Programming Language for AI development. Here are some of the most notable. It is easy to learn, especially if you already have experience with Python. It is high performance. If you see the comparison chart, so you can see how much faster it is. It can be used to develop AI applications that can run on various hardware platforms, from small embedded devices to large supercomputers, as I already said before. It is also very flexible, which means that it can be used to develop a wide range of AI applications, from simple machine learning algorithm to complex deep learning models. Mojo Programming Language is the perfect language for developers who want to create powerful, high-performance AI applications that are easy to learn, scalable, and flexible. So if you are looking for a language that can take your AI development to the next level, then modular language is a way to go. Let's write some actual code in Mojo. Let's start with creating a file named main.mojo. .mojo is the extension of this file. We can start by creating a simple hello world program that can just print out. You can see it is pretty almost the same as in the Python language. So we can run it in my compiler. I have set up .mojo. So you can see there is the output. It has hello world program. Other basic feature for Mojo Programming Language that I like is the strong type checking. So you can now define types in functions and in variables also. So let's say we have a print function and we can define to return it only strings. So we can return only string here. We cannot return anything other than else because it will throw error. And then the other strong feature of Mojo is structures. You can define structures using the struct keyword like this, and you can define variables. Inside the structure we have another major addition to the language, which is the var and let keywords. Var is mutable, so you can have mutable data, so you can change it later on. We can also define variable types like this, and the let keyword let you define some constants, so it is immutable and you cannot change something like that. change. And another feature which is specifically for Mojo, which I like, is fn functions. So you can define fn function like this, and you can have some of your code here. The basic difference with this def and fn is def is mutable, be mutated, while the fn function is immutable. What it means, you can access the global data in the def function and you can change it, but in the fn function you can only do a scope based programming and you cannot access the global data or change it. So that's really good. So it is strict typing. And in conclusion, I would like it is a game changer for AI development. It is ease to use, speed, scalability, flexibility make it the perfect choice for developers looking to create a powerful high performance AI applications. And I hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content like this. Thank you. Bye.